Thanks everybody for coming today. We're here today to talk a little bit about an initiative that we're going to be undertaking over the next 6 weeks to address speeding concerns in residential neighborhoods. Over the past few years, the number of complaints that we've been receiving in residential areas about speeding vehicles has increased substantially, and so we've partnered with the Saskatoon Police Service to undertake an initiative where we're coordinating our enforcement as well as our education and awareness efforts to try to address these speeding concerns. In residential areas, speeding is a particular concern since it is near homes and schools where we have a number of children playing, pedestrians on the streets as well as cyclists. So it is very important that we reach out to the public to try to help in reducing speeds in residential areas. Part of the initiative involves coordinating our efforts for education, enforcement, and awareness. So what we want to do here is identify specific locations in neighborhoods where we're going to be working with the police to create awareness about the impacts of speeds, as well as provide information to residents about what they can do to reduce speeds in their neighborhoods in order to improve the safety on the roadways. If people do have concerns about speeding, we have information on our website. They can provide us those specific concerns, and we will work along with the police to address those concerns and ensure that we are improving safety. So with that, I'll pass it along to the police. They can provide some information about the enforcement efforts that they're going to be undertaking.
Okay, thanks, Angela. In terms of the police here, we've had a long-standing partnership with the City of Saskatoon administration, and traffic safety is a concern of that we receive at the police service, and complaints are received at the transportation department of the city as well. We enforce approximately 15 or 16,000 city violations for speeding in the city of Saskatoon each year, and what this partnership does is it gives us an evidence-based data collection that the city administration has provided for the police to target specific areas where speeding has been identified as a problem. I think one of the things to remember is that the posted speed limit in the city is 50 kilometers per hour, but that's the maximum speed limit. When we talk about speeding in residential neighborhoods, I think one of the things that we need to consider are road conditions, weather conditions, time of day, whether it's close to a school or a community center, and some of the challenges are that 50 kilometers an hour is the maximum, and really at certain times that may not even be appropriate. So what the city's done for us is identified some problem areas with some data, some evidence to suggest that speeding is a problem in certain identified areas, and our traffic members are going to provide some additional enforcement to those areas at certain times of the day. Now, this isn't going to negate the traffic enforcement that we do throughout the city. This will simply enhance what we're already doing.